This t-shirt here, it will not get ruined by any stains of wine or coffee or sodas. I'm still skeptical about it, so I'm gonna go bathe myself in whatever I can find, on red sauce, in wine, whatever I can, to honestly give you a try on this. Will it work? We don't know. Whoa! Woo! Hold on. Oh! I can waste this one. Showering with you guys in here. What's up, mi gente? If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Mwah. So glad to see you back here hanging out with me. And if this is your first time here, please hit subscribe right there below and hit the like button so you're part of our community, because here we talk about fashion, about cosmetics, about skincare, fragrances, a little bit of vlog, a little bit of everything. Times are changing so rapidly with the evolution of the AI technology. When you put good use to the technology, I think it's a great thing, and fashion is evolving and it is quickly changing. I think more people are paying attention to the quality of the products, if it's gonna be versatile, and also making sure that it's practical. This brand Senshomi is redefining technology in clothing. When I read about what this company does on their t-shirts, I was like blown away. You can put a blazer on top of a t-shirt and pair of jeans and you look put together. You can just wear it with shorts and it's just great for a walk in the park, going to the supermarket, and it is fine. So for me, t-shirts is a staple that I can literally put anything on top and it looks dressed up. You can put like a nice necklace, some beads in it, and you can dress it up, dress it down, and it's not a problem. Especially, the thing is, it has to be breathable. Now, I have destroyed many t-shirts in the past because I'm clumsy and I'm always have a drink on my hand of some sort and I spill it.
Look, Henry, I spilled wine on me.
Go out to a restaurant and I eat in it and it is a mess. This t-shirt here will not get ruined by any stains of wine or coffee or sodas. And I'm still skeptical about it. So I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna bathe myself in whatever I can find, on red sauce, in wine, whatever I can, to honestly give you a try on this. I have not tried this on because I wanna give you like that very immediate reaction on how I feel about everything. And if it's a mess, it's gonna be a mess and it's gonna be here on the video. And if it doesn't work, it's gonna be recorded and it's just gonna be here. So
it's gonna get messy, Ferdinand.
If you've been looking for a t-shirt like that, or if you have heard about Senshomi before and you want to know more about it, so hopefully this video it is helpful to you. Let's unbox the first shirt. Everything gets individually boxed like this. So presentation for me, it is very important. Okay, wow, it is thick and it feels like, whoa, wow, almost like indestructible to me. So this all is called TechTee Pro E. It is 100% pure cotton. This is the one that is stain resistant with coffee, ketchup, cranberry juice. I'm gonna do the test on the white, so we'll check if it's gonna be stain resistant or not. I'm still skeptical. Don't let me down, Senshomi. Will it work? We don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So here we are in my kitchen. I'm gonna try it with cranberry juice, orange juice. I'm gonna do wine and ketchup. And let's see what sticks to the shirt and if it stains it or not. And I'm gonna actually try coffee as well. Okay, I'm a little scared to try this, but alright, let's do it. I'm gonna make a mess in the kitchen, oh my god. Alright, so here we are in my bathroom. I changed my mind because I cannot make a mess in the kitchen. I don't think my husband will be happy with that when he comes home.
Y esta mujer está completamente loca. Casado por 10 años y todos los años se pone peor y peor y peor de la cabeza esta mujer.
I feel like I'm back in school making an experiment. We gotta be honest here with our reviews. Trying to have a sexy moment here. Whoa! Duh. Holy cow. That didn't stick, you see that? It kinda like, it spills out, like it doesn't stick to it. And it's still dry. Oh, that's freaky. Okay, that's cool. Coffee. Let's do coffee. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're gonna stain it? You're gonna stain it? So I can see coffee's there. I don't know. Yeah, coffee. Not sure if coffee is gonna be a good spill. Cranberry juice. Woo! Alright, cranberry juice, just a little. I can see that there is some cranberry in there. Let's do wine. Hold on. You can waste a good wine, but just for the sake of trying. Oh! Wine doesn't stick as much. I can waste this corn. Just a touch, just a touch. Ooh, okay, here's a drip of the wine. Okay, so there's a little bit of residue, but not as much. I think the coffee is the one that kind of holds a little bit more. Ketchup. Woo! Now it stinks like holy shit. So we tried everything, and the ketchup and the coffee, I think, were the ones that kind of hold in place for a little bit more. Let's now rinse it off and see if it really comes out. Let's get it done. Alright. Let's try it. So, here I'm rinsing the shirt. I just feel so inappropriate right now. Like, I'm literally like showering with you guys in here. This is why you have to subscribe to my channel, because, you know, we do crazy stuff like that in here. I do like to do crazy shit like this. Alright, it came out, you guys. Look, all of it gone. I didn't have to use no detergent. Literally, I don't even rub it. Just a little bit of water and everything is gone. No staining. It works! Woo! Can you imagine if I do this whole video and I get everyone excited and pumped up and I'm very excited, and then the shirts don't work and they get stained? I will be like, whoa, I'll be disappointed. It's incredible that not even the wine, the coffee, nothing stick to the shirt. Like, just put some water and it's just gone. So Senshomi, you did it. You guys are smart. This is just incredible. Wow. Now I am freezing because it's like 50 degrees in Florida and I'm like, ah. Make sure if you're gonna spill something, try your very best to not do it in the collar, because this part in here, it is not stain resistant. It is a different fabric up here because it's lighter and it's more like it's a stretchy in the collar area. But sometimes when you see the stitching that is coming a little bit loose with con los hilitos, ¿cómo se dice los hilos en inglés? Los hilos, los threads, the little threads, you see them sometimes and it's like, oh, okay, you know. This one, perfect. You can see the attention to detail on the t-shirt. This one even has like, it's like a triple thread right in there. The Pro S is a little bit different. So this one here, again, is 100% pure cotton like the other one. It is still breathable. Now this one is unwrinkled and unshrink. Gotta tell you, you know how many t-shirts I have shrunk in the past? Not fun. Not fun at all. So here, this one feels a little bit more silky to the touch. It feels a little bit more cooler. It feels so nice. And a lot of the t-shirts that you buy, it's gonna be almost like see-through-ish in a way. Like extremely thin, I will say. This is one of the things that I wish you can literally come here with me right now and touch it. I mean, the shirts.
Can't touch this.
It feels so like yummy, like you want to eat it or something. So again, I love t-shirts. I think I have a number of them, like literally. I have another one in here. This is another brand, To Exist, which is actually not bad at all. But again, the same thing, very thin. It doesn't have that thickness. This one here, it has like a different weight to it. This one even feels like a little bit even heavier. That smoothness that I'm feeling right now is going from the liquid ammonia finish. It doesn't have a lot of give. It's not extremely stretchy, which is gonna, I think, hold its shape for a long time. One of the things of when the fabric of the t-shirt is just too thin, it stretches in this area here and then looks worn, and then you just have to kind of like give it away or just throw it because it doesn't look good. So this one here, it doesn't have that extra stretch, so it's gonna hold its shape, I think, for a while. It fits fantastic. This is actually a size small. I'm a size 40 in the chest. I'm about 170 plus pounds, 5'11". If that's kind of like your measurements are kind of close to mine, a size small will be great for you if you want that more slim fit type of look. If you want a little more give, then you can go to the medium. This is like a very old trick. So if you're gonna go somewhere for a cocktail, for, I don't know, like a very quick low-key event and you want to look put together, have a blazer at hand, you have your t-shirt on, and voila. Easy breezy, you don't have to worry about ironing anything. You can actually put a scarf in it, you can just put some accessories, and who cares? At least you have something in here that's gonna be breathable and looks great and transitions pretty much for anything. So having a t-shirt at hand at all times, gotta tell you, it is a must-have. If you're gonna be traveling, pack a white, a black, and a blue t-shirt. It's gonna save you so much more room in your luggage. Again, this is not gonna compete with anything because they don't do big logos and it transitions literally any time of the year with any outfit. You can dress it up if you want, as much as you want, and you can dress it down with sneakers, shorts, and it's gonna be great for summer, great for being outdoors. So it is a no-brainer, you guys, especially like I said before, if you're like a little clumsy like me and you spill everything on your shirts, definitely you got to check that t-shirt out. So this is the Pro S style. So it is very tailored. I can see like it really holds on my chest area. This one has a little bit more stretch, but not overly stretchy. So again, I think it's gonna hold the shape very well. The thickness of this is not too thick, you guys. So don't get confused and say, oh my gosh, it's gonna be way too warm. It is not. It is actually cooling. It feels cool in my body and it feels just like, almost like silk. This is like a midnight blue. Very pretty. So these are the basic colors that definitely you should consider. White, black, blue, and gray. Definitely this is something that you wanna wear when you're gonna be outdoors. For summertime, this is gonna regulate the temperature in your body as well. If you have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so right now so you don't miss out on any of the fun stuff that's coming up here on my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments right there below. All the links for these shirts are gonna be on my description so you can go and buy them. And again, I will see you next time here on my channel. Spread love and do not hate. Mwah. Love you all, take care, and keep having fun. Bye now, I'm cold. I'm cold.